This is a Toyota CHR hybrid, a Mercedes-Benz GLA. This Lexus, this Audi Q7, Land Cruisers TX. This is a Toyota RAV4. What do you think a luxury car could cost in Uganda? 450 million, only 350 million, 165 million, 95 millions at only 100 millions, 120 millions. Ladies and gentlemen, this is just a hint on what we are going to show you. The luxury is one of the keynote on the cars we are showing you today. We are giving you the cars with a high-end luxury, cars with that, the cars which you just enter and you feel like you are in heaven. So ladies and gentlemen, in the midst of car prices going high, today in this one we have brought you yet another episode of car prices in Uganda. Actually, in this one we are going to share the prices of motor vehicles, like range in the price range of 450 millions to like 85 million Ugandan shillings. So ladies and gentlemen, on this video we have different motor vehicles to share, like the prices. We are going to focus more on the mid-range luxury cars, all those premium luxury motor vehicles we have in the Ugandan market, especially here at Barry Motors Uganda. I would just love to say hit that subscription button. I would also beg, if you have any kind mind, Barry Motors Uganda is the only channel. Just write down there and it will bring you a video as per your request. We have a Mercedes-Benz GLA 630 AMG. It has a V8 engine, AMG, and it goes at 450 millions here in Uganda. You may ask yourself, because we have also seen different models, of which I'm going to show you another one of the kind. This one 63S. We have kind of seen this one on a G class and G wagons, and just next to it you also have another one, GLS, and this one also goes at the same price, 450 million Ugandan shillings. These are one of the machines now we have in Uganda, and these are most of the machines which has kind of very good performance in Uganda. And beside that, write down there a comment if you have any kind mind, and as well, if you want to know anything about any other motor vehicle, please feel free to write down there. Just where I'm here, we have a Mercedes-Benz GLA 630 AMG, and we also have this Audi Q7. For the Audi lovers, this is another unique SUV car with with the extreme luxury interior, extreme performance on road. This Audi Q7. This one is a 3.0T. It also this is a Quattro 7 or Q7. You can abbreviate it to Q7. This is also among the cars we have seen across the Kampala Uganda roads, and with a very good performance on road. This Audi Q7, by the way, it only cost here at Barry Motors Uganda only 95 millions as it is, and it is also one of those cars, as I said, with the excellent performance. On this one, we are only showing those high-end luxury motor vehicles in Uganda. We are showing motor vehicle and the prices. This one, it only cost 95 millions Ugandan shillings as it is. So why can't you come for this motor vehicle in Uganda? Why can't you just come for this? Because all the prices I'm sharing today are all prices which can be bargained, are all the prices which can be paid on credit, and you start driving yourself on such kind of a machine. Yeah, for the Lexus lovers, we have this Lexus RX 450. This one is model 2014. This one is model 2014, and we also have the 2018 and 2021 model available here at Barry Motors Uganda. But this one here in Uganda now, as it stands, this one costs only 120 millions. You get yourself this Lexus RX 450H. This Lexus RX 550 is one of the also the cars which has that very good performance on road. You know, in terms of maneuvering all the kind of the terrains you have, and it's one of the cars which has that better and most luxurious interior and better drive on road. It has a hybrid engine, and you know, we have seen how hybrid engines are taking over the market. Yeah, in terms of reliability, we have started to trust the hybrid cars. So in this Lexus RX, it's better to get it with this 450h engine, which means it will give you that maximum performance and also the fuel saving mode there. Now for the VW lovers, we have this Touareg, a new Touareg with a very good light design, advanced logo, advanced grills at only 100 million here at Barry Motors Uganda. This Touareg is model 2015 in a shape of like 2017 with a new design grills with advanced technology, extreme premium leather seats at only 100 millions. This one here, you get yourself this one at 100 million here at Barry Motors Uganda. This car has a 3.2 V6 engine, Blue Motion. Blue Motion means that this car is equipped with a diesel engine. So it also has 8 automatic speed with that very high performance on roads, and its tone and horsepower is also that very unique. Here comes another unique vehicle. This is one of the cars which Toyota has really made, and this is a Toyota CHR hybrid. And this Toyota CHR hybrid, we are kind of seeing them more on our local markets. This one is model 2016, and it only costs 95 millions. Okay, we have them from the range of 85 to 95 millions here at Barry Motors Uganda, but this 2017 it goes at 95 millions here at Barry Motors Uganda. The car has an excellent and premium interior. You know, surprisingly, the engine is on, but you cannot hear anything because this is an hybrid motor vehicle, and this is its key. Yeah, it has a very good unique steering. Yeah, the car is good. So you know, if you're really interested in this one, just wait for its review is coming. We are going to put the full review of this motor vehicle, and it's amazing. One of the amazing cars we have on market now in Uganda. And actually, the cars we are showing you some of the premium extreme cars with a good budget, and also the most trending ones nowadays in Uganda. For the past recent, we have seen how this CHR is taking over the roads of Kampala and other cities in Uganda. So it's so safe to go for in this era. So well, ladies and gentlemen, hit that subscription button, and if you have any car in mind, please feel free to write down their comment, like the video. Thank you. Now for the Mercedes-Benz lovers, we have this GLE model 2018 at 165 millions here at Barry Motors Uganda. You get yourself this GLE. Just come and show you the rear look of this motor vehicle. This is a GLE 350D, which means this car is a diesel 4MATIC. Most of them you find them with a blue tech tag here, but this one is a 4MATIC, which means this car has a 4-wheel drive or a all-wheel drive. So this one is model 2018, and it goes at 165 million Ugandan shillings here at Barry Motors Uganda. And if I just flip the camera this side, we also have this one. This is model 2012. This one is a ML. This is the ML 4MATIC model 2012 model, and it's also available here at Barry Motors Uganda at only 110 millions. You get yourself this car. And this one is also a diesel with a blue tech tag. ML 350, and it's also one of the cars with that very good performance. You know, I love driving the ML series. I really enjoy driving the Mercedes Benz like this SUVs, and this ML is among the cars I really love. I really enjoy driving. This is the Toyota RAV4 model 2022, and it is at 110 million Ugandan shillings here at Barry Motors Uganda. It is also available. It is one of my, what I would say that it's one of the cars I really like nowadays because of its revamped new design, the curves, the new lightings. Yeah, it's just amazing. You know, driving this car gives you another feel. You don't really feel a Toyota when you're driving this car. You feel something beyond Toyotas. It gives you a feel of either a Jeep or a feel of either a VW. So it has also a unique interior. It has a unique, the dashboard, the tech on this RAV4 is all amazing. Oh, here comes the C200 Mercedes-Benz, and this one is model 2014. And at Barry Motors Uganda, this motor vehicle you get it at only 95 millions. And on that also we have a room of negotiating on pricing. And this one is one of the cars with a very good driving thrill, most comfortable ride. This one cannot even be compared with I know how we are used with Mach-X and other cars. So this one is class on its own, and it's available. We have we not only have one, we have different models and different categories of the engine. Like we also have the that black one. It's a car with a very good unique side mirror indicators, an advanced type of headlight. One of the things I really like from new trends of Mercedes-Benz is the headlight. This new design on the headlight. It really looks good on this motor vehicle. That premium, high quality leather interior, plus all the the steering settings, the steering modes. Yeah, this car is very good. This car has a very good interior, plus the settings, the radio mounting, the driving clusters, and this chrome, and this all leather finishing on the dash. Everything really look unique. And this one is like it works as a console, and it also has the memory seat setting. Now I'm in between two Land Cruisers TX, and they are both model 2021 models, and we have Pearl and then we have this black one. All are in the same price, and they are costing here at Barry Motors Uganda only 220 millions. You get yourself this Land Cruisers model 2021, and all the cars I'm giving you the cars with high premium leather interior, plus advanced tech like driving clusters and many things, by the way. So the luxury is one of the keynote on the cars we are showing you today. We are giving you the cars with the high-end luxury cars with that the cars which you just enter and you feel like you are in heaven. So ladies and gentlemen, I would just love to say hit that subscription button. I would also beg, if you have any kind mind, Barry Motors Uganda is the only channel. Just write down there, and we'll bring your video as per your request. So ladies and gentlemen, let me take you to another vehicle. Here comes another unique car, and this is this is a Toyota Harrier, model 2018. It is also one of the premium luxury cars here at Barry Motors Uganda, and also in Uganda in general. And it's one of the cars we are witnessing more on our Kampala Uganda roads. And this area, by the way, goes at only 100 millions here. This model 2018, 100 millions here at Barry Motors Uganda. You get yourself this Toyota Harrier, model 2018, not 14, not 15, but 2018. It's available. We also have this Land Cruiser Toyota, and this is what we call V8 here in Uganda. We have this Land Cruisers in different trim. This one is a ZX, there's a VXR, and there's also LC 300, the one like the newer version, like 2022 models and beyond. So those ones we're gonna put them in the the extreme premium motor vehicles, those high-end upper class vehicles. The review is coming soon, but this one is also available at only 350 millions. You get yourself this Land Cruiser ZX. And by the way, it's one of the cars we have really seen on Kampala Uganda roads with government officials. I know the reason why they really like this car, and just wait for that review is coming soon. So this one is also among the cars we really want to share the price of it, because of it's a trend and it's a dominance in the entire country and the entire continent. This Land Cruiser model 2019, it only costs 350 millions here in Uganda, and mostly at Barry Motors Uganda. So ladies and gentlemen, with 350 millions, you can get yourself this Land Cruiser. It's a super SUV motor vehicle with extreme performance on roads. This is a vehicle which speaks for itself. So ladies and gentlemen, we do like a lot on motor vehicle department. Like we can help in inspections and general motor vehicle shakeups. Just call Barry Motors Uganda. We'll offer that service to you. And if you buy a car through Barry Motors Uganda, all those services we offer for free of charge. I assume it has been a very informative video. I assume it has been a very good review. So ladies and gentlemen, before I say goodbye, please hit that subscription button right there. If you have any car in mind, if you have any motor vehicle you want us to review for you, or if you want to buy a car in Uganda, Barry Motors Uganda is the only company you can trust with your motor vehicle business. So ladies and gentlemen, from the guys and the entire team, goodbye and be blessed. Goodbye.